Hello, I'm Sandhya and I do easy and quick Indian recipes on this channel. Do check out my channel and if you like it, please do subscribe, like and share. So today we are trying out a breakfast recipe. We are trying tomato dosa. Instead of having regular dosas all the time, you can try a little bit of variety once in a while. The detailed ingredients list is available in the description box. Please do check it out. Let's have a look at the ingredients required for the batter. So I've got in here idli rice, which I've soaked for around 3 to 4 hours. You need to make sure you soak it for minimum 3 hours at least. So this has been soaking for 4 hours. I've got ripe tomatoes, 3 of them. Small sized tomatoes. Please make sure they are ripe. Then I'm using dried red chilies here. You can use dried red chili or you can alternate it with some red chili powder. I've got salt to taste in here and we'll need some water to make the batter. So let's start making the batter. So I've drained all the water from the rice, added the tomatoes, I've just chopped them roughly, and the red chilies. Now I'll use a mixie to grind this into a dosa batter. So I'll do that and come back. So I've got the batter ready in here. Now the batter has to be slightly more watery than a dosa batter. So you can see this is slightly more watery. I've ended up using about 1 3/4 cup of water to make the batter. So now that the batter is ready, we'll keep this aside and we'll prepare a tempering for this batter. So for the tadka, I've got in here onion which I've finely chopped, some curry leaves, some asafoetida, urad dal and mustard seeds. Apart from this, we'll need some oil. I'm going to use regular oil for the tadka. You can use coconut oil as well. I placed a pan on fire on medium flame and I poured the oil into it. The oil is nice and hot, so let's add in the mustard, urad dal and the asafoetida. We'll wait for the mustard to sputter and we want the urad dal to brown a little. The mustards have spluttered. And the urad also has started browning. Now we'll add in the curry leaves. Followed by the finely chopped onions. Now we cook the onions until they are a little soft. The onions have softened, so we'll switch off the gas. And now we transfer the tadka or the tempering into the batter. So let's add the tadka into the batter. Now we'll mix this nicely. Stir everything together and the batter is ready. Now let's start making the dosa. I've placed a cast iron dosa tawa on fire on medium flame. I've greased it with some oil and it's nice and hot. Now I'm going to take the batter. So that's tomato dosa ready for you. Serve it with some coconut chutney. And it'll be a very yummy and different breakfast for you. I hope you liked today's recipe. If you did, please do try it at home and let me know in the comment section. Until I see you next time, bye-bye.